Last time, we got kicked out. What did you say?
What is going on?
From today, it is forbidden to sleep in the park.
Yeah, I think we'll go to the military camp.
It's already dark, so
Right.
you don't need to risk anything.
But as the old saying goes, when life gives you lemons. Hello, everyone. And in the morning, unexpectedly, today we journey into Casamance, the southernmost region of Senegal, on the other side of Gambia. But before we can get there, a sudden emergency forces us to pull over to the side of the road. Lucy, oh man, that stinks, baby.
네가 했잖아. 나 아직까지 코로 숨을 못 쉬겠다니. What human can make that, amazing. Your poop smell is amazing. I'm not gonna breathe.
Did
Can you open the window more, please? Huh? Woo! Woo!
Yeah, baby.
I'm jumping 하는 거 맞나?
Yeah. Oh, there's the old bridge there. The new bridge.
물이 있나? 물 있다.
Yeah, the Gambia River.
Ah, yeah, right. There, washing Kia. That one scares me. Over there, that is the Gambia. Where we are in this road is Senegal. So weird, right? They're right there. That is the Gambia.
The shortest way to Casamance is actually through Gambia. But we chose not to go this route because of the complicated visa process for Lucy and also the many first-hand stories we heard about corruption at the border. So it was tempting to take a short detour on one of the many dirt tracks into Gambia. But in the end,
여기 들어가는 길 있다.
tons of little roads here that go into Gambia. But we're gonna be good boys and girls and not go in illegally.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Good thing about lunchtime is that all the checkpoints are unmanned. Oh, never mind. Got one. Do you want to get my stuff? Bonjour. Ça va bien?
Ça va bien?
Oui.
Où est-ce que tu vas comme ça?
Destination?
Destination, oui.
Yeah. What's our destination?
is
Saviano?
Belligara.
Belingara.
Yeah,
Ah,
Belligara.
Bonjour. Ça
Ça va
va bien?
bien, ça va?
Tu vas bien?
Yeah.
Chine.
No,
Korea.
Guys, we just had a police checkpoint, and then the police officer were explaining to us a little bit about his father. He's living in the Jiginshore, and he want us to take a chair that is a gift for his father. Anyways, we are heading to Jiginshore. It would take days to get there. But unfortunately, when we saw the chair, it is impossible.
It's like a sunbed.
Yeah, sunbed chair, and there's no place that we can put it. And we showed our trunk, and he's like, when he saw our trunk, like, no way.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's unfortunate that we cannot bring his father's chair to him. If we could do it, it would be really nice chance to meet his family and everything. But next time, when we have a 4x4 and I have a truck, maybe we can do it. Anyways, we are kind of almost to the place, right? 25 minutes.
Yeah.
As long as we don't have a speed bump like this, we are gonna get there early. Bye. They wanna do hitchhike, huh?
Yeah, you went right.
Yeah. 여기가 판다. 쌀 터는 것도 있고. 쑥이네. 양파 팔고, 선글라스, 신발, 쓰레빠.
Can I get that 30,000?
아저씨 알았어. They're hiding over there.
So,
I think this is the one, right? Yeah, this is the one. I think, yeah. 맞네, 이거네. We are in Casamance area right now. Guys, at the gas station, those boys were kind of, I guess, like on my window a lot. You can see his hands mark, and also here I didn't see it. Mark told me that they are trying to open the door, and we have this another lock so that it will not be open. But yeah, anyways, those kids were aggressive, huh?
Super aggressive.
give me some more tables, table options.
그 떡도 오늘 하려면 중국산 떡이어가지고 불러야 된다 지금부터 저녁 해 먹으려면. 하지 말라고. 한국 거 없더라. 중국산밖에 없더라. 알겠어요. 오늘 저녁 떡볶이 해야겠다. 거기서 떡볶이 중국산이니까 먹지 마. 먹고 달랄까봐. 웃기죠?
You made it! I would park maybe here. In the shade? What do you think?
Okay.
It's good?
Yeah,
Good?
good.
Ask him if it's good.
First, we went to buy the kids some candy because we promised them.
Oh, that kid over
Yeah.
there. Okay.
And then we were stopped by a police officer, and he was very chatty. Yeah, Ismail was talking to his parents over the phone. Yeah, we decided to have our breakfast / lunch at jollof chicken.
우리 졸로프 치킨에 완전 빠졌잖아.
It's the third time now, right?
어.
I guess you know the thing is, it is Senegalese food though.
Oh, you found another jollof.
Yeah, it's Canada.
Ah, okay, yeah.
What do you have it, Anya?
They're growing this fruit here,
Uh-huh.
and it's like a hybrid between a grapefruit and a lime, or no, lemon. So we tried it.
나 먹어봤잖아. 엄청 셔. It's really sour.
So sour. And they even admitted that it was kind of a failure. But I'm thinking if we juice it, you definitely can't eat it. But we can.
죽지는 않겠지
I
먹는다고.
think we can cook with it, or we can.
내 생각에는 그 뭐지? When we cook the fish or something like that,
Yeah,
it would
yeah.
be really nice.
Instead of lemon,
It's so juicy, you know.
add this one. Here, so
지금 게토레이 만드는 거지.
yeah. It's cool.
Yeah.
There are thousands of birds in this tree. Thousands. So many birds. Holy smokes, guys, there's so many birds in this tree.
What are you guys cooking tonight?
떡국.
계란 넣는다.
Yep. Absolutely.
Good. 하겠습니다.
Oh my gosh, the birds are so loud.
참기름?
Please.
Good.
Thank you. Good? Did it work? The duck worked?
Kind of crunchy.
Yeah, that's alright.